Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another video. This time to show you the unboxing of a Livestream Gear that I've purchased for video editing and video creation. And for anyone who's interested in buying this for like live streaming, it's a really good option if you want to live stream with your smartphone, or if you want to do what I'm going to do, which is basically compare two smartphones at once. A really good option because you can mount both phones on the holders. So it's basically this, guys. You can see the two holders. It has kind of a GoPro kind of support system right here, holder. So it's also compatible with GoPros if you're interested in that. You can mount small little studio lights onto the mount. You can mount microphones on it, whatever. So this is basically what I intend to do, is use them as a double mount to have both phones filming or video or shooting at the same time. And if you're looking to do live streaming, you can have, for example, one phone recording video and the other one you can see the streaming comments at the same time. So it's a really good option for vloggers, YouTubers, and live streamers. So we're gonna open this and see what it's like, guys. So I got this one for around $16 plus shipping, which ended up around 20 something euros with taxes to import it here in Portugal. So we're gonna just open this. I have to cut away. Yeah, it comes all included. Yeah, thankfully, because I was worried that these holders weren't included. So let's just open. It comes in this little bag, as you can see. Well protected little bag. Okay, let's just pull this out. So we have the holder. These are just other accessories that you can order. Some more literature here. So these are the various options you can see here, guys. You can mount it in various manners with accessories. This is really going to help me out on my channel, because like I said, I'm going to hopefully use it to mount two smartphones at once and do camera shooting, photography, videography, and compare both cameras. You know, when I want to do smartphone comparisons, this is a really good option. If you guys have a YouTube channel, or you're thinking of building your own YouTube channel, and you want something that will do something like that, if you want to do like tech reviews like I do, this is a must tool right here. You should have one of these, in my opinion, but you know, it's up to you. So let's take a look up close at this. So you have the little mounts. They open up to 85 millimeters, like I said. We do this to tighten, and so you can adjust this one as well to any angle you want, back and forth. Note that you have this little thread right here as well if you want to mount this solely on like a tripod, a manual tripod, like a Manfrotto Evo. I'm gonna have one of those on the channel as well. It should be arriving very soon. So check, subscribe to my channel to see that. I'm gonna post that very soon. It should be arriving in the mail, and I'm gonna actually try to test this out on the mount on that tripod from Manfrotto. So hit the notification bell. That way you get the video as soon as I post it. Here you can see the rear of the little holder. You can unscrew this to remove the. Let's do that really quickly, just to see what it's like. So just unscrew this. I guess, yeah, it comes off. So you can do something like this. You can turn this upwards. We just screw this on like so, and you can have one phone vertical and another one on the horizontal orientation. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Here you can adjust the tightness right here of this little mount. Here you can see the thread for the tripod, so you will mount this on your tripod like so, on your manual tripod. As soon as I get that, like I said, I'm gonna try and show you guys on the channel as soon as I can. So you would mount it right here. You would tighten this to the angle that you want, and you can have both phones here mounted on the little holder. So I'm going to try and show you guys what it looks like with two phones mounted on, okay?